Cary, North Carolina is a charming town just 15 minutes from downtown Raleigh, known for its beautiful architecture, brick walkways, and tree-lined streets. The Cary Art Center, located in downtown Cary, hosts numerous classes in everything from pottery to painting and textiles, as well as more obscure arts such as metal arts and bookmaking or jewelry making. The Cary Art Center also hosts Cary's community theater troupe, the Cary Players, as well as gallery displays for local artisans. The Art Center also doubles as a quasi-museum with artifacts from its previous history as the first school in Cary. If you're looking for more outdoor action, the Downtown Cary Park is right across the street from the Art Center. You can play some bocce, take in a game of checkers, table tennis, or foosball with a friend, or attend one of the many concerts or events at the amphitheater. The Cary Library is located in downtown Cary as well, and its new multi-story library center will be adjacent to the park. The Page Walker History Museum is another great place to visit. The grounds are home to the Page Walker Gardens and the Heritage Herb Gardens. The museum serves as a location for classes, events, concerts, social gatherings, historical and fine art exhibits. The building's open most days from 10 a.m. through evening. There are plenty of places to eat and shop in downtown Cary. Really, whatever you're looking for, whether it's fine dining or a hot dog at the lunch counter at Ashworth's Drugs, you can find something that fits your needs. Or if you're looking for specialty items like hundreds of flavors of olive oil or fancy yarn, handmade chocolates, or fine wines, you can also find these in downtown Cary. Whether your favorite spot serves lattes, local brews, or Long Island iced teas, you'll find it in downtown Cary. The new Chatham Walk condos open up to a courtyard flanked by nightlife at the Sidebar Social Club and Bond Brothers Brewery. I hope that was fun and interesting for you. We do lots of videos like this. I'm going to be doing more of other areas of the Triangle, so definitely subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of video, and I hope you all have a great day.